So here's a dilemma we keep seeing at Ditto. Two young parents, one earns 20 lakh rupees, one earns 15 lakh rupees. They both want solid health insurance plans for their families. One comes across Aditya Birla Activ One Max, the other stumbles upon Niva Bupa Aspire. Now, both sound impressive, promise unlimited restoration, offer solid bonus, and seem future ready. But when they ask us which is better, the answer is almost never simple, because a great plan isn't just about a long list of features, it's about how those features play out in the real world. Hi folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. In today's video, we'll be comparing Aditya Birla Activ One Max and Niva Bupa Aspire Titanium Plus in depth, breaking down the similarities, their differences, where each plan stands strong and falls short. We'll look at metrics, features, optional add-ons and premiums, everything that matters when you're putting your family's health in someone else's hands. And if you're stuck midway or just want an honest recommendation based on your unique profile, book a free one-on-one call with Ditto's advisors. We've helped over 7 lakh Indians make smarter insurance choices. No spam and no upselling, just solid advice. The link is in the description. Alright, let's get into it. And let's begin with the company trust. Aditya Birla Health Insurance is backed by Aditya Birla Group and it has a claim settlement ratio of 95%, ICR at 68% and complaints volume of 22 per 10,000 claims settled with a massive hospital network of over 12,000. Niva Bupa on the other hand has an equally strong footprint of CSR 91%, ICR 58% and a worrisome complaints volume of 43 per 10,000 claims and network hospital of 10,000 plus. However, it's worth noticing that Aspire is newer and there's growing scrutiny on private insurers for maintaining long-term sustainability, particularly around aggressive pricing and service quality. So purely on trust signals, Aditya Birla wins with longer standing group legacy and more stable underwriting and claim settlement behavior. Now, regarding eligibility and coverage, both plans offer coverage starting from 91 days for children and 18 years for adults with lifelong renewability. Some insured options are comprehensive in both, with Aspire going from 3 lakh to 1 crore, while Activ One Max starts at 5 lakh and goes up to 2 crores. So both score well on inclusivity and flexibility. Let's start with the built-in features, the things that you don't need to pay extra for. Aditya Birla Activ One Max offers no copay, no sublimits, no room rent limits, 90-day pre, 180-day post-hospitalization expenses covered, unlimited restoration from the second claim onwards for any illnesses, 100% per annum up to 500% bonus even if you claim, inbuilt coverage for consumables and health checkups every year. There's also digital health scoring leading to discounts on renewal up to 100% and wellness-linked benefits. Aspire on the other hand has 4 versions, with Titanium Plus being the top-end one. It has unlimited restoration after the first claim for any illness, 60 days pre and 180 days post-hospitalization expenses being covered, coverage for short hospitalization as low as even 2 hours, cashless health checkups from day 1, capped by sum insured, and no room rent or ICU restrictions and no copay at all, and coverage across all standard treatments like Ayush, daycare, modern and donor surgeries. Now, there's also Booster Plus in it where you can carry forward unutilized sum insured up to 10x, which is similar to a no-claim bonus. On paper, it might seem like Niva Bupa Aspire edges out with the maternity and newborn coverage and 2-hour hospitalization eligibility, but Aditya Birla Health Insurance counters that with longer pre-hospitalization coverage and a better reward structure via health returns. Now, let's talk about add-ons and customization, because this is where the real divergence happens. Aditya Birla Activ One Max's optional riders are extremely strong. You can do a lot of customization. You can reduce your PD waiting period from 3 years to 2 or 1. You can get chronic care day 1 coverage for conditions like diabetes and hypertension. You can also include OPD consultations, add second medical opinions, rent durable equipment, enable compassionate travel, and even add cancer boosters and deductible linked premium discounts. Aspire 2 offers a strong list of add-on ecosystem. You get maternity coverage via the Miracle add-on, and a massive Booster Plus bonus on sum insured based on age. You also get global cover via borderless add-on. You also get OPD covered via Well Consult. You get Safeguard Plus to protect bonus, inflation and non-payable items covered, future ready options for your spouse, annual deductible covers, and cashback incentives. So customization-wise, Niva Bupa has industry-first unique add-ons like Future Ready, where you can waiver the waiting period for spouse, or you have the ability to combine multiple tenure sum insured. So both plans are top tier, but Aditya Birla's chronic and lifestyle condition covers might be more useful in families already dealing with diabetes, asthma, or heart issues. Now, let's talk premiums. Here's the most commonly asked question: how do these stack upon pricing? So we'll answer that now. Let's take a standard 10 lakh sum insured for a person living in Delhi who's 30 years old. Aditya Birla Activ One Max comes in around 10,000 rupees and Aspire Gold Plus comes in at 9,500. Aspire Titanium Plus comes in at around 12,700 rupees. So at the base level, Aspire Gold Plus is marginally cheaper than Activ One Max, but once you start adding features or upgrade to Titanium Plus, the price hike kicks in real fast. And unlike Activ One Max, which builds in most of its perks without pushing you to multiple variants, Aspire distributes value across tiers. Do you want lock the clock feature? You need to at least have Diamond Plus. Do you want to go full maternity? You need to have Titanium Plus. Well, in contrast, Activ One Max is more linear. That is, most value is available at every tier, which makes it pricing more easier to predict and manage. Also, Birla's health returns model also means you get cashbacks for a healthy living, which you can use to pay future premiums, subtly bringing down your effective cost year on year. Now, what's falling short? Now, here's the truth. For Niva Bupa Aspire, while the features are powerful, customer services and claims handling remains inconsistent across regions, especially when it comes to grievance resolution or complex claim disputes. Now, this is a common theme in newer plans with rapid growth. Plus, the tier-based structure means you'll need to upgrade to access flagship benefits, which pushes up the cost in the longer run. With Aditya Birla Activ One Max, the downside is fewer flash features like international coverage or family planning benefits, and it's not as maternity heavy or lifestyle heavy as Aspire. So while it offers amazing OPD value, the hospital network and app-based services might not be consumer focused as Niva Bupa's. So what is Ditto's take here? Now, if you're someone who values simplicity, predictable costs, and chronic condition coverage, Aditya Birla's Activ One Max is a great choice. And especially for individuals or families dealing with existing medical conditions, it provides day one security with strong underwriting. But if you're younger, healthier, and want something that scales as your life evolves, maternity, marriage, kids, global access, all of that, Aspire can work well provided you're okay with a little premium management and some potential trade-offs on service reliability. Now, if you're still confused, that's why we are here for you. Book a free call with Ditto's expert advisors and we'll break it down for your profile, your age, your family, your city, and you will walk away with a clear picture. And no, we don't spam. We're backed by Zerodha, rated 4.9 over 5 on Google by over 14,000 happy customers. And we'll never push you into buying something that doesn't work for you. The link is in the description. So folks, take your time, ask your questions, and always happy insurance hunting.